Namaste. Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, sons and daughters, students, scholars, friends, colleagues, listeners, learners, professionals and officials, and the Honorable Most Reverend Father, Doctor, Minister, I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily and cordially welcome. Your presence is praiseworthy, really admirable, because you are providing your priceless time and presence of your mind while listening the truth of life to the science and spirituality. Today we will discuss some common terms that are used in the blood bank while donating the blood. Blood groups. Human blood belongs to one of four main groups: B, A, AB and O. Rhesus factor further defines the blood group. Most people, 85%, have this factor and their blood is classified RH plus. Rhesus positive. Rhesus positive. The remaining 15% of people who do not have this factor are classified RH, rhesus negative. Plasma is the fluid portion of the blood that makes up about 60% of the volumes of blood. Blood cells float in plasma. There are red cells, white cells and platelets. Platelets help form blood clots when bleeding occurs. Red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to other cells of the body and return carbon dioxide to the lungs. White blood cells protect against disease and infection. Why donate blood? Every blood donation you make has the potential to save lives. Blood has no substitute. Blood cannot be manufactured. There is a constant need for blood. Blood is precious. Blood from paid blood sellers is unhealthy and risky. You can donate blood if you are between 18 to 60 years old, your weight 45 kilogram or more, you have enough hemoglobin in your blood. It has been at least 3 months since your last blood donation. You are healthy and have not had hepatitis, malaria, typhoid or other disease spread through blood. You may have a postponed blood donation for some times if you have had a cold and or fever of unknown cause during the last 7 days. You have been vaccinated within the last 24 hours. You have drunk a large amount of alcohol during the last 24 hours. You have had a miscarriage in the last 6 months or have been pregnant or breastfeeding in the past 12 months, you cannot donate blood. If you have severe heart disease, you are suffering from TB or tuberculosis, you have an overactive thyroid or thyroid toxicosis, you have a history of cancer, kidney disease, bleeding tendencies, anemia or sexual transmitted venereal disease, you have AIDS or are infected with the HIV virus, you are using a drug known to be addicted, you are using a drug known to be addicting, you have a history of alcoholism or drug addiction, you have had fainting attacks during your last 2 blood donations. What happens when you give blood? Donating blood is quick, simple and almost painless. There will be questions about your medical history to ensure that your blood will be safe for people receiving it. A short physical examination. This includes taking your blood pressure, pulse, temperature and a test for anemia. Blood taking. This is almost painless and takes about 8 minutes. After your donation, after drinking light refreshments and resting for about 30 minutes, you can usually go back to normal activities. Very tiring activities should be avoided for 12 to 14 hours. Fears about giving blood. You hate needles. A local anesthetic is applied to your skin to make sure that giving blood is not painful. You do not have to watch the procedure. You do not have to watch the procedure. It's too inconvenient and he is too busy. Giving blood can mean life itself for a patient, and even the busiest people find time to donate. I have worked that giving blood causes physical weakness or infertility. Many donors have given blood over 50 times, up to 4 times a year, without any harm to their health. I am scared of being infected with HIV while giving blood. There is no risk of infection because a new needle and syringe are used for each person. What happens to the blood donated? The blood you donate goes through many tests for the safety of those patients receiving it. These include tests for AIDS, hepatitis, syphilis, and malaria. Your blood may be used as whole blood or separated into its parts called blood components. How your blood is used? Donated blood is used in the treatment of wounds caused in accidents, major surgery, complications at childbirth, blood disease, severe burns. Frequently asked questions. How much blood will I lose? Not enough for you to miss. Each full donation is 350 ml. Your body naturally replaces the lost fluid in a very short time. How will giving blood affect my health? Your donation will not be accepted if you are fit and well. Only about 5% of your blood volume is taken, and there is usually no weakness or other ill effect. The volume of liquid lost is replaced within 24 hours, and the blood cells will